Hello, you're welcome back to Quiver Analytics, and in this video we'll talk about handling missing values in data sets. Then we're looking at joins and some other things you can do with data sets. So continuing from where we stopped, um, steps. Sorry, this is a typo, not stepper or yeah steps. So handling missing data. Now, there are two broad steps. The second one is classified into two. Check for missing data. For every time you receive your data, you check if there exists missing data. Then you can, if there exists missing data, you can drop the missing data or fill the missing data with any value or with mean. For example, so what determines whether you'll be filling the values or you'll be using mean? For example, if the data sets we have collected, we notice that all the missing values are from guys. All the ladies filled their um, their forms properly. Then in the sex area, we can put if we have a male for all the missing. So that it once says any missing, they will put male there under the sex section. All right. So okay, it's better to show than to tell. So let's go back to the dates, the large one. Yeah. So we have sex here, female, female. You can see none, none available. That means this person is missing. So that means for this guy, we'll put in we'll put in male here. Then let's go down if we can, if there's any none available there as well. So we have here too will be replaced with male. All right, those two will be replaced with male. However, what if they are values? So values, there are two things or several ways to it. You can decide to fill the values with 0. I'm not sure values are missing here, none. All right, you can fill it with 0, or you calculate the mean and fill it in, or calculate the one before and after it, then fill it inside. All right, I know it's a little bit complex now. You don't have to really worry yourself about it. So for now, what we'll do with missing value is to remove it. We'll remove the row entirely. So again, let me say it here that if you'll be involved in data collection, ensure that all your entries are collected. Try to avoid any missing value that your respondent will not give you response. Try to avoid it. Try to make sure you get a response out of them so that you not have missing values. So the best thing to do for now is still to remove the missing values. Okay, I'm trying to edit this now, and this is not. Oh, am I running something? Okay, maybe I should just refresh. Okay, go back down. Okay, only missing values. Okay, yeah, thank God. All right, so check for missing value. We have df. We already have a data set, so I'm going to remove this. So print df is null. That's the data set. That's the data frame. Is null. That means if it is null, then sum it. If it is not for all of them, sum it. So this is, it will give us total per column. So our data set is not df, it is df underscore excel. All right. So for dates, no missing value. For name, 2 missing values. For age, no missing value. For sex, 2 missing values, which we've seen. Marital status 2, 2, 1, 1, blah blah blah. So let's assume there are different rows. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 8, then 10. We have 34 rows. Is it okay to remove 10 rows? Depends on what you are doing. So for now it will just be okay to remove them. So we'll be dropping the missing data. So we'll drop the missing data df. File name is not df anymore. Excel. So the function there is drop na. So these things are really simple. Df underscore excel, you know that is your data set. Then do the dots and then tab. Then you search the things you can do with them. All right, the tab is taking long. Okay, so I want to drop something. That's the this is drop, uh and then this is drop na. All right, so it's really simple to get the functions you are looking for. Otherwise, you can check Google on how to do it. All right, so I'm going to drop na here. Then here, um let's check let's check this code again if there are any missing values. So you can see now we have 0 0 0 0 0, no missing values. All right, no missing values. Then again, another thing we can do is to check df underscore excel dot tail. So let's check the last two numbers. Oh, okay. This one I wanted to check the. Let me just check something else. Um, I want to check for the dimension now. Okay. All right. So, um, all right. So I'm just going to delete this guy here. All right. Now to fill it, this is the code to fill for, but I would suggest you don't bother yourself with this at the moment. You don't have to bother yourself with it. All right. Now, data type conversion. All these things might look abstract, but they are very important to understand. I mean, to that you understand them. Now, data types conversion. Before we even talk about converting them, what are the data types we have? We have numerical types. These represent numbers and support arithmetic operations. So, for example, the age we have here is an integer written as int. Example is 25, whole number without a decimal. Then we have the weights, floats that has decimal, which example is weights. All right. Then I think revenue also is floats. Yeah, revenue is floats. Referral is an integer. So we have the numeric types of data can either be integer or float. Integer is without decimal, float is with decimal. So here we'll see how to convert from float to decimal, from decimal to float as well. Then data type. Date, I mean for dates in Python, dates can be handled using the datetime module or pandas timestamp. So date time, blah blah blah. If you need to convert dates, all right, but we really won't be using that. Then we have the string. They are the texts. They are the texts used for textual data. In Python, this is represented as str. So, for example, the names. There's nothing we want to do with the names, especially when they are not reoccurring names. Then sex is can be string if no value has been attached to it. Marital status can be hair color, educational level if they are just written and used as strings. Alright, so then we'll see how to convert them, how to encode them into nominal and ordinal variables. Now, after string we have categorical variables. Categorical variables, there are two types. We have the nominal and the ordinal. These are categorical with no inherent order. That's nominal variables. Now, for example, sex, if it represents male for as 1 and female as 2. So if the data is just showing 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we know that Sorry. We know that one represents male and two represents female. Alright, one represents male and two represents female. So what that means is that um every time we see one, it means male. Every time we see two, it means female. So these are numbers that have hidden meaning. One is not one. We cannot say one plus one. That means we are saying that male plus male. In such case, we call that kind of variable nominal variable. Remember, a variable is just a column. You get, so we call nominal variable. So they are most times represented by values, the weights, blah blah blah. So for example, one for yes, zero for no. You get. Now, ordinal variables, these are categorical with a clear order of ranking. So the other one is ordinal variable, where it is ranked. It has meaning. No, male, female, one, two does not have meaning. Just means you are male, you are female. You know, does not mean the fact that we represented two, I mean female by two, does not mean female is greater than male. It's just male, female. They are in categories. But ordinal, for example, educational level, when you have a PhD, you are expected to have, I mean, your order is more than someone who have SSC. So that's the ordinal variable. All right. So now to check data types that we have underscore Excel. So you can see name is an object, age is integer 64, sex is object. You can see here we have weight to be floats. Okay, weight is floats, and that's all. So now we want to convert column types. Here we want to convert data, I mean variables. All right, so let me do them separately. All right, so convert once convert dates to date time. All right, I'm not sure this would make any sense. So once we do that, we call df underscore excel dot head once to the first two. All right, so for everything we do, we want to see what has changed. Okay, so df underscore excel. Sorry. All right, so let's see what's supposed to dates here. All right, so we have error, like I said. Oh, okay. So let's see. We have dates. How was date spelled here? Okay. Date is DATE. So let me check what we have here. DATE. Oh, okay. Uh, should be capital letter DATE. So I'm going to run here. All right. So like I said, because it is not written in the form where we have. Let's see the way it was written before. You can see it's still the same. So 231108, and here we have 231108. Still the same thing because there are no additional information provided. If time was provided, it should have spelled out the time as well. All right. So to change referrals to float. So referrals, where are you? Oh, we have deleted referrals. So from double L, so we are going to leave this as 1L, 1L. Okay. So so before then, let's just see what referral is like. Df 1L dot head 2. So referral is just integer 9, So here, let's see when we convert it. Let me put this up here so that for easy. Okay. All right. So here, when we convert it to float, you'll see what happens. Okay, something is wrong. Referrals. Oh, referrals. Control C. There is nothing as price. All right. So now you can see our referrals now have 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. All right. So that's conversion. It's no longer it's no longer a um an integer. It is a float. All right. So now to convert sex to string, assuming it is category before, so it's still going to be still going to appear the same. Okay, it is, there is no category here, it is sex.